Yes, today's lesson, my young friends, is could we live somewhere else other than Earth? And some of our possible landing spots would be Titan. That is a moon of Saturn. And we see here that this is a drawing, obviously. Nobody was on the deal looking at it. Okay, but this is an artist rendering from 1944 of what they envisioned the surface of Titan might look like. We've known about Titan since 1655. It was actually discovered. It is the largest moon of Saturn that we're aware of. Maybe this would be what we could convert it into someday. Here are actual photographs of Titan. We can actually see in this photograph that there is a limited atmosphere. Here's the thing about it, though. Our atmosphere consists of nitrogen and several other gases and oxygen. Their atmosphere primarily consists of methane. Now, methane is available on Earth. Many of you are aware of what methane is. Many of you are aware of what methane smells like. Generally speaking, a fart. So think about this. On Earth, we have water in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. On Titan, where the surface temperature averages about negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit, methane occupies all three states. So there is frozen fart, liquid fart, and then obviously, like on Earth, gaseous fart. Now, interestingly enough, earlier in the week, you had been studying about topographic maps. That's the elevation of areas on a particular geographic scale. What we've got here is this is a geographic map of Titan, and they've actually done it in color. So we can see areas where they believe there to be lakes up here along the top. Hummocky, that means kind of bumpy. If some hummocks are considered like little humps. So these would be areas that there are minor mountains. And then we can see areas in red that are low spaces, craters. And then we've got the plains, which are flat, which occupies most of the area. And then we have dunes, which you would think of in the desert. Okay. So you can see that it has geography, and a topographic map would work just as well there as it does here. Although to actually get elevations, we would probably need to do a little more research. This is a picture taken by the Cassini probe that had orbited Titan for quite a while, and we can see the very colorful landscape. A lot of this is the effect of gases and things along those lines. So think about all these things as you watch the video. I know yesterday I talked about Europa as being, which is a moon of Jupiter, as being a possible spot for life. A lot of scientists also believe that Titan falls into that category. So more research has been to be done on that. They're actually planning sending another probe in 2026 to look specifically at Titan. Cassini was more involved in the mapping and observation of Saturn, but since Titan is a moon of Saturn, it just happened to be in the neighborhood. Have a great day and a great weekend, and we will talk with you next week. Maybe, if I can make this stop. Where do I go? How do I stop it? Oh, look, there we are.